Hi, I'm Alex Risch, Developer Engagement Engineer at GrapeCity. I handle phone support for Documents for Excel, and in this series of Quick Start videos, we'll look at getting started and creating a simple application with this Excel API. This video focuses on creating an Excel document using the API on Mac. First, open Visual Studio for Mac and create a new .NET Core console application. In the tree view on the left, right-click Dependencies and choose Add Packages. In the search panel, type GrapeCity.documents. From the list in the left panel, select GrapeCity.documents.xl and click Add Packages. Accept the license agreement. Open program.cs and add the two namespaces. Now we're ready to create an Excel file. First, create a new workbook in code and add a worksheet so we can begin adding data. Next, we'll initialize our data. I'm copying in a two-dimensional array and assigning it to the value of a worksheet range. Add data for another table. Set row and column widths and heights. Next, add two tables called Income and Expenses. Set them to the range of data added above and apply a built-in table style to each. Let's add some calculations. We'll create two custom names to summarize the income and expenses for the month, and then add formulas that calculate the total monthly income, total monthly expenses, percentage of income spent, and balance. Create a gradient data bar rule to show the percentage of income spent. This rule shows a data bar without showing a value. Modify the built-in styles for currency and heading 1 and apply them to ranges of cells. You can also modify individual style elements for other ranges. Save it to an Excel file named Simple Budget. Let's look at the Excel file. We've added two tables with styles and headings and applied formulas with a data bar. Thanks for creating a simple Excel application with me today. Check out our other documents for Excel videos at grapecity.com.